ready, car enthusiasts!
The legend is back. After decades of silence, Ford has revived one of its most iconic names, the Capri. But this isn't just a nostalgic throwback. It's a full reimagination of the classic European muscle car for the modern era. This is the 2026 Ford Capri, where vintage style meets futuristic innovation. From the very first glance, the new Capri demands attention. Painted in this striking electric lime green, it instantly recalls the sporty attitude of the 1970s original, while integrating bold, modern design language. At the front, those aggressive LED headlights reinterpret the classic rectangular lamps, now connected by a sleek illuminated grille that proudly displays the Ford badge. The sculpted hood with a functional air scoop adds a muscular stance, hinting at the power beneath. The side profile remains true to its coupe roots. Long hood, short rear deck, and that distinctive fastback roofline. But notice the modern touches: flared fenders, aerodynamic vents, and 19-inch performance wheels that blend retro aesthetics with contemporary performance. Move to the rear, and the nostalgia continues, with the iconic horizontal taillights reimagined using a full-width LED bar. The quad exhausts and diffuser emphasize this car's performance intent, while the bold Capri lettering across the tailgate reminds everyone this isn't just a car, it's a comeback. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that perfectly fuses heritage and high-tech minimalism. The classic dual cockpit design remains, but it's now wrapped in soft touch leather and carbon fiber accents. A fully digital curved display stretches across the dash, seamlessly integrating the instrument cluster and infotainment system. The center console hosts a secondary touchscreen for climate and vehicle controls, while the rotary gear selector and aluminum switchgear bring a sense of tactile quality. And yes, this Capri comes with a manual transmission option, because Ford knows what real drivers want. Every detail, from the stitched beige leather seats to the ambient lighting, exudes modern sophistication while keeping the spirit of the original alive. Under the hood, Ford offers multiple powertrains for the 2026 Capri. The base model features a 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine, producing around 320 horsepower, while the top-spec GT trim pushes things further with a hybrid-assisted 3.0-liter V6, delivering up to 450 horsepower, all sent to the rear wheels. For that pure driver experience, paired with Ford's latest adaptive suspension and electronic differential, the Capri delivers razor-sharp handling, a perfect blend of old-school driving thrill and modern control. Expect a 0 to 60 mph time of just 4.20 tt, 2 making this the fastest Capri ever built. Ford plans to release the 2026 Capri in late 2025. With prices starting around $45,000 for the base model and climbing to about $65,000 for the high-performance GT. Production will be limited initially, making it a collector's dream for those lucky enough to secure one. The 2026 Ford Capri isn't just a revival, it's a statement. A perfect fusion of classic soul and modern muscle, Ford has brought back the Capri not as a museum piece, but as a modern legend. So, what do you think? Did Ford nail the balance between heritage and innovation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the future of automotive design. This is the 2026 Ford Capri, the legend reborn.